106.7 Lights FM.
106.7 Light FM. I'm Cubby. That's Christine. We have a guy we haven't seen in person in almost 3 years.
Oh, yeah. This is so nice.
Justin Mayer from Hess is here.
Yes. Hi.
Guys, I'm so excited to be back with you live and in person, and thanks so much for all the support you've given us during the COVID time, even remotely, allowing us to introduce our products each time we have one new. Which we have today.
Christine,
Right.
we weren't allowed to talk about. Like 12 minutes ago, we couldn't talk about this.
Okay.
As of now, we can talk about this.
All right, good. Okay, because we're excited and we want to talk about it. And yes, and as we said, so good to see you in person, and thanks for supporting us through everything that we've been through.
Of course.
So what are we announcing today?
10 minutes ago, we just launched the new 2022 holiday Hess toy truck. And, I'm always excited. Oh, you can clap.
I'm going to golf clap. Only
Only
a couple of people in here. You golf clap. Okay?
Clap for myself.
Yep.
I'm always excited to talk about it and rave about what it is. But I think this year I want to at least start by saying, before I get into what it is, it's already been sort of validated as something really special because it has won 2 really prestigious awards from toy experts and parents.
Oh, nice.
So there's Oppenheim Toy Portfolio has given us their top honors, a Platinum Award, and the Toy Insider named it a top holiday toy. So when I tell you what it is, and I'm excited about it, you should be excited about it too because it's legitimately getting a lot of kudos for what it is.
So we're hanging out with an award winner.
I know.
Yes.
One-upper. You're a one-upper.
Winner. Yes.
Yeah. So what we have this year is a special 3-in-1 Hess flatbed truck with hot rods.
What?
Yes. Now, we don't often do 3-in-1 toys, but we have done them in the past. So what makes this one even more special is it's loaded with flashing lights, 4 sound effects, and each of these cool hot rods that we have have pullback motors that can wheelie or race flat. So it's really something special. It's loaded up for a lot of fun. You can see this if you're watching. It's got all sorts of flashing lights going on.
It does.
Yeah, we're up on lightfm.com in case you're wondering. Hello, lightfm.com.
Yeah, with cool sound effects, as we always are known for
look,
with the toy.
it's starting up the truck.
And then, of course, if you want to sort of have your dragsters take off down the line. Ready? Here it comes right at you. Whoa.
Is this what you do all day at home?
All day. It's something in Santa's workshop year round. It's fantastic. And so when you get to go on sale like we did just a few minutes ago, it's really an exciting time for us.
So this means people can go online. You are live right now, and you can order this.
Correct. HessToyTruck.com is the only place you can get it. It's direct from Hess Corporation, as it always has been. So it is up. It is live. Go on, grab it now. And everybody's worried about shipping in the holiday season. And so, that's why we go on sale early, to make sure that there's plenty of time for folks to get their products delivered wherever they need to get it delivered. But we always say don't wait because these things sell out.
They do sell out.
They do.
Yes.
Yeah.
Pretty quickly. Right? Did we know what our time frame is?
Well, so we never know exactly. People's behaviors change, especially around the pandemic and buying earlier for Christmas. So things seem to be going quicker than usual. Our fastest sellout was about 30 hours. We don't expect that for this product this year. We try to balance that so that people have some sufficient time to plan for it.
It's been hard to find vehicles all year, and this means the toy industry too.
Yeah.
Like your vehicles are hard to find sometimes.
The supply chain, as everybody talked about, has been in challenge for a long time. I think things are getting back into good shape, and we've got the inventory in and ready to go. So definitely do that. And if folks, your kids love the plush toy.
Yep.
So we have a plush line, which is available generally year round or until it sells out. So our plush choo-choo train, which was launched earlier this year, is still available for the littlest kids. It's also an award winner.
Yeah.
And it's super soft and cuddly and plays music and has a nightlight timer. So it's actually newborn safe, which no other plush toy is.
It can be in the crib.
Sound. Yeah.
Could it be in the crib? Well, I've done it. Oh, well. And they're still alive.
We always defer to the pediatrician recommendations.
Okay, all right.
Okay, yes, okay.
Well, don't take it from Cubby, but my kids are alive, and it worked.
And Miles likes it.
And Miles likes it, yeah. And Naomi loved the fire truck a couple of years ago.
Yeah. So one of the other things I think is really special this year, and it requires a little bit of context setting, is we're huge about giving back in the holiday season. That's a large part what the Hess Toy Truck is about. And for years, we've been donating tens of thousands of toys every year to children in need, including the program that we do with you guys every year with the Gift Wrap program. Toys for Tots has been a longtime partner of ours, and they're celebrating their 75th anniversary this year. So we're doing something very special in support of that anniversary. And for the first time ever, we're doing a matching donation program. So when you go to the website today to purchase your toy truck, you can also sponsor a donation 2 toys for Tots, which we will handle the logistics of and get it there. And then we will also match it with another toy so we can double the Christmas magic for children in need this year.
Oh, wonderful.
Something really
Amazing.
special. We hope that we can work together with our customers and really deliver something special in that honor.
That's so inspiring. That's great. Thank you.
And we all love our teachers. And so for a few years, we've been doing STEM curriculums where we use these toys as sort of the learning tool that teaches grade school kids concepts like friction and acceleration, math, really fun stuff, and even engineering how to build ramps. So we have a new guide that just came out, and teachers can apply for 12 free toys to use in the classroom that we will send to them. So we're sending to 1,000 classrooms across the country. You just go to HessToyTruck.com/STEM. It takes 1 minute to apply, and we look forward to seeing all wonderful group of kids celebrating this year in the classroom, learning how to apply applied mathematics and science using these hot rods and the truck.
Fantastic.
That's
That is
amazing.
great. We've got to post all this on our website too. Make it easy.
Absolutely.
to
Go to
find this.
lightfm.com. We'll have it all up there for you. And again, you can go where right now to buy this?
The only place to go is HessToyTruck.com.
What's that again?
HessToyTruck.com.
Did you say HessToyTruck.com? Justin Mayer, we appreciate you and congratulations on this big launch.
Thank you guys so
Yes,
much. Have a
it's
great
amazing.
holiday season to you and all your listeners.
106.7 Lights FM.